we looking for then, Sue?
Doc Martin.
Doc Martin,
Well,
are we?
Where they film it.
Oh, okay, I think there's a car behind us.
We're not sure. We're walking around Port Isaac trying to find it at the moment.
Yeah.
Down a
There we
steep
go. Move
hill.
sideways, hang on. So I think
Another car.
we're looking for Port Isaac, which is
they
where
filmed
Doc Martin was filmed, yeah. We're going to have a look down here.
We've come to Village Hall,
Oh,
so we're not
okay.
sure if we're at the right place or not, are we?
No. We'll keep looking.
It's a bit busy. Check this on the corner, see, I have a nice one.
So here we are in what they call Port Wen on the programme, and we just go around to the right here. You can see the doc's house has got a red car outside it. The one with the red car, we think, is...
Yeah, that's the calf, isn't it? I think that's the calf there, actually.
So that's the doctor's house there, the little one, with the red car outside. And then, yeah, the cafe is down here on the steps.
People sitting on the steps, and then this is where they film.
And this is the harbour where they film. And the tide is out at the moment. Very pretty. You can see why the film crews love it down here.
But why would you take this size? That's what I mean, it's very weird. We weren't going to get there. And there's 3 of us. Yes, that's what did you say we're going to
People come down here say, oh, I've driven through there, haven't they?
Probably, yeah. And this is where they used to film the little cafe. On these steps along here.